In this video, we are going to find the derivative of f of x equals sine of x over 1 plus cosine of x. So we see here that we have a quotient, which probably means we're going to want to use the quotient rule. So recall that the quotient rule tells us the derivative of a function f of x over g of x is equal to g of x times the derivative of f of x minus f of x times the derivative of g of x all over g of x squared. The way I like to remember this is low d high minus high d low all over low squared. So now if I let sine of x be my f of x and 1 plus cosine of x be my g of x, let's see if we can apply the quotient rule. So I guess there's an unfortunate choice of notation where this function is called f of x and I'm using f, so maybe we'll switch the f's to h's. Okay, so now we're ready to take the derivative of f. So we have low d high, so the derivative of sine of x minus high d low, so that's the derivative of the bottom function, all over the bottom function squared. Okay, so we have two derivatives to figure out, the derivative of sine of x and the derivative of 1 plus cosine of x. So we have 1 plus cosine of x times the derivative of sine of x, which is cosine of x, minus sine of x times the derivative of 1 plus cosine of x. Well, the derivative of 1 is just 0, and the derivative of cosine of x is minus sine of x. And so I'm not going to square the denominator yet. I'm just going to leave it as 1 plus cosine of x squared, and I'm going to simplify the numerator. So distributing cosine to 1 and cosine, I get cosine of x plus cosine squared x. Now I have minus sine x times minus sine x, so that's plus sine squared x. And now I guess I could multiply out the denominator. So what do I get? Actually, I'll just leave the denominator as such for now, because we're going to get some simplification. So notice here we have cosine squared plus sine squared. Now recall that sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. This is one of our trig identities. So I can rewrite the numerator as 1 plus cosine of x. And now we have 1 plus cosine of x squared in the denominator. So we can cancel one of these out with one of these. So I'm left with 1 over 1 plus cosine of x. And that is our final answer. If this video was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe.